In this video, I will show you how to redeem codes on Eneba. To get started, go ahead and open the Eneba website on your browser. So go ahead and search for eneba.com. Now in here, as you can see, you get redirected into your homepage. Now from here, go ahead and hit on the top right corner of your screen. Select the balance button and that will redirect you into the section. And here on the left side, click on that redeem gift card button under the balance tab. To be able to redeem codes on Eneba, you'll need to update your profile, which is verify your profile using your phone number and by selecting the currency of your area, providing more details of your account, and setting up a two-factor authentication for your account. Once you have done this, you'll be able to redeem gift cards easily on Eneba, and that is how you can simply redeem codes on Eneba. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.